Hello, this is Jennifer, and I'm going to do a quick video on the basics of using iMovie to create a video with still images. So what I've done is in iMovie I've went to File, down here to New Project, and it comes up with this screen. I'm just going to choose one of these pre-made projects. I'm going to call it I Am. I'm going to hit Create, and it's going to create a blank project. The first thing that I'm going to want to do is add images. If I click on the camera down here in my tools, it's going to bring up my pictures from my iPhoto. And I can go up, and if I scroll up here, you're going to see that it says iPhoto. And here's my pictures in my iPhoto. I created a folder before I started the video called iMovie and iPhoto and put some pictures in there so I didn't have to scroll through all my pictures. So if I want to use my profile picture first, and then I want to put a picture of my husband and this one. And you'll notice that directed by just keeps kind of going. I want to insert that one, not replace. Oh, what else do I want? Oh, there's one. Okay, so I have a few images in there in my video project that I want to use, but I don't have all my pictures in iPhoto. I may have some of my pictures or in my photos, or maybe iPhoto isn't loading. I can go to my hard drive over here, double click on it, and go to my pictures, and I'm going to go to Profile Images, because I know I have some pictures of my kids here. And I'm going to take this picture of my kids and drag them in kind of in the middle there because I want them at the beginning of my video. So I can add images through iPhoto here, or I can go to my hard drive and add images that way. If I come up here at the front of my video and hit the space bar, it's going to play a preview of my video, everything I have so far. Okay, that didn't look too bad. But if I want to add some text, I have I Am. I can click up here in this green bar above, and I want to get rid of that line or L, and I'm going to just put the ellipse sign there. When I go to my next image, if I want to put text on this one, I can come over here to the T in my tools. When I click on the T, it's going to bring me some different titles that I can use that go along with that photo album theme. And I'm going to look and see what kind of text that I like to go on this picture. And I'll put something down here in the lower third, so I'm just going to click and drag, and I'm going to pull that up there on top of that picture. And I'm going to see that text come up here. And I'm going to click on the green bar above the picture so that I can come down here and add my text. I'm going to add I Am a Mom to that one. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to click on the T for that one. I'm going to come find something that might work for that one. I'm going to put it in the lower right, drag it up there. I'm going to come on this one. This might work for that one. Okay, this one I'm going to add this particular text again, so I'm going to click on that and drag it up there. So I think you get the idea. If I get one on here that I don't like, I can click up on it and hit the delete key and it will delete. And one more here. That up there. Okay. So something else I don't have that I might want between my images, I might want transitions, and that's in my tools. This key right here is the transitions. When I click on that, I get some photo album transitions. And I'm going to just take this and put it in between. I'm going to turn off the automatic transition so I can add my own. And I can see between all the rest of them, they already have transitions, so I'm not going to worry about it too much, except for between the last ones. So I'm going to add another transition right in between there. Now, how do I add music? If I click on the music tool, again, it will go to my iTunes if I have any music in there, and I don't think I have very much. I have the K-State fight song, and it's a minute long, and I think that might be perfect for my video, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to drag it up here. You'll see that you get a green background. That is my music. When I hit the space bar to preview this time, you're going to hear the music playing in the background. Okay, so there was my, now if I wanted to change something with my audio, I can click on that little gear that's up here in the green, and I can go to audio adjustments, and I can make some adjustments to my audio, make it fade in, fade out, do some things here with the audio. I can also change the length of any of my video clips. Let's say I want this one that I am a mom to be a little bit longer. I can click on this down arrow and go. I can change the cropping and the Ken Burns by moving this, the starting point of my picture, and then my ending point. I can crop it, I can fit to the screen, allow for black, some different things I can do there. I'm going to hit done. If I come back to that same picture, I can click on that again, and I can go to video adjustments, and I can change some exposure and do some things that way with my image. I can also click right here where that 3 is, and I can go to clip adjustments, and that'll let me change the duration. Let's say I want this image to show up a little bit longer in my video. I can change that from 3 seconds to 5 seconds. And if I want to add some kind of video effect, I can do that there as well. But those are some of the basics with iMovie. I'm not going to worry about making any of those. I could make them grainy, black and white, sci-fi, but I don't want to do anything like that. So I'm going to hit done and cancel. And there is my video. When I'm done, I can go to File, and I can go to Share, and I am going to go to YouTube for my video here that I'm making, or I could go to Export Movie. If I just want to save it to my laptop, it's IM. Right now I'm putting it in, I want to call it IM Video, and I'm going to put it here in my movies, or I can put it on my desktop. When I click Export, it's going to save that as a movie file on my computer. That is the basics of iMovie. Thank you very much. Hope you've enjoyed my video.